Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, Supermicro's Q4 results and stock split announcement failed to sustain gains, KKR Capital Beats earnings estimates, and Medical Properties Trust partners with Macquarie for Massachusetts hospitals. Microsoft reveals Delta declined assistance after a CrowdStrike-linked outage, while Upstart stock surges 20% on strong Q2 results and guidance. Rivian Automotive projects modest gross profit for Q4, Disney raises prices for its streaming services in the U.S., Goldman Sachs advises buying the S&P 500 after a dip, and Intel faces downgrades following challenging earnings. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more. Supermicro Computer shares dropped 7% in extended trading after reporting better-than-expected fiscal fourth-quarter results and announcing a stock split. The company earned $6.25 per share on $5.31 billion in revenue, surpassing expectations but falling short of analyst predictions. A 10-for-1 stock split is set for October 1st.
KKR Capital reported second quarter earnings per share of 75 cents, beating estimates by 4 cents. Total investment income was $439 million, surpassing expectations by $13 million despite a 5% year-over-year decline. The company also announced a public offering of $600 million in unsecured notes due in 2029 at an interest rate of 6.875%.
Steward Health, a bankrupt healthcare provider, can use $30 million from Massachusetts for 6 hospitals. This follows an agreement between landlord Medical Properties Trust, Macquarie Asset Management, and lender Apollo Global Management. Apollo will take ownership of the hospital real estate, resolving a stalemate that threatened the funding.
Microsoft lawyers claim Delta Airlines rejected multiple offers of help after a CrowdStrike update failure caused flight cancellations. Despite CEO Satya Nadella's personal outreach, Delta did not respond. The outage cost Delta $500 million. CrowdStrike denies responsibility, and the Department of Transportation is investigating.
Upstart Holdings stock surged 20% in after-hours trading following strong Q3 guidance. The AI-driven lending platform expects $150 million in revenue, surpassing the $135.3 million consensus. CEO Dave Gerard credits advances in their AI model and increased efficiency. Q2 results exceeded expectations with a smaller-than-expected loss and higher revenue.
Rivian Automotive stock dropped after Q2 results. Revenue rose to $1.16 billion, but gross profit losses increased due to lower selling prices and plant retooling. Rivian produced 9,612 vehicles and delivered 13790 in Q2. Operating expenses grew to $924 million. The company expects modest gross profit by Q4 2023 and reaffirmed its 2024 production guidance of 57,000 vehicles. Rivian's cash position is $7.87 billion, including a convertible note from Volkswagen International America for a planned joint venture with Volkswagen Group.
Disney announced price hikes for its streaming services starting October 17th. Disney Plus with ads will be $9.99 monthly, without ads $15.99 monthly or $159.99 annually. Hulu with ads is now $9.99 monthly, without ads $18.99 monthly, and Hulu Plus Live TV with ads is $82.99 monthly, without ads $95.99 monthly. ESPN Plus with ads rises to $11.99 per month or $119 annually.
Goldman Sachs recommends buying equities after a 5% drop in the S&P 500, as it is often profitable. The index rose 1% on Tuesday but had fallen nearly 6% over 3 days due to recession fears. Historically, buying after a 5% decline yields a median return of 6% in 3 months.
Intel has been downgraded to hold from buy by Argus after disappointing second quarter results. The company missed revenue and earnings estimates, announced a 15% workforce reduction, suspended its dividend, and plans to cut costs by $10 billion. Intel stock has dropped 34% in 5 days and 60% year-to-date. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.